In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A37 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, you need to open Settings and tap on Connections. Now, select Bluetooth by tapping on it on the left, and to activate it, use this switcher at the top right corner. Then, click on one of available devices you wanna connect to. Select Pair and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. To manage this connection, click on gear icon next to connected device and check out all of those options, including Unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!